Hey there guys, Chet here. First of all, stop posting manual updates in Slack. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect n8n to Slack so that you can automate your team notifications and save a ton of time. First, before we can do anything in n8n, we need to go to Slack's website and create a new Slack app. This sounds technical, but it's really just how we create a secure bridge between Slack and n8n. To get started, go to api.slack.com/apps. Now, on that page, you will see a button that says Create an App. Let's go ahead and click that button. A new window will then pop up. In this window, choose the option to create an app from scratch. Now you need to give your app a name. I would recommend something clear and simple like n8n notifications. After that, pick the Slack workspace that you want to connect this app to. Once you've done that, click the Create App button. Once your app is created, you'll land on its basic information page. Now we need to generate the special token that n8n will use to send messages. So scroll down the page until you see the section called App Level Tokens. Click that button that says Generate Token and Scopes. In the window that appears, first give your token a name. Then you need to give it scopes. Scopes are just permissions that will tell Slack what your app is allowed to do. Click the App Scope button and add the permissions that you need. For example, if you want to send messages, you'll need to add the Connections Right scope. After you have added the necessary scopes, click the green Generate button. Slack will now create your token and display it for you. This is the secret key that we need for n8n, so make sure you copy this token because we're about to use it. With your token copied, let's head over to your n8n account. Now we're going to save this connection so that we can use it in any workflow. From your n8n dashboard, click the plus button in that top left corner, hover over Credentials, and then click on Personal. In the window that pops up, use the search bar to find Slack. Select the Slack API option, and then click Continue. This will take you to the final connection page. You will see a field here called Access Token. This is where you need to paste the token that you just copied from your Slack app page. Go ahead and paste it in and then click the Save button. You will then get a small confirmation message that the credential was saved. That's it. You've now successfully connected n8n to your Slack workspace. So if you found this useful, I go way deeper inside of my school community. I built a complete n8n course where you'll learn how to go from beginner to building advanced systems plus live calls and exclusive templates that you absolutely will not find anywhere else. The link for it is in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.